Hi guys, in this section let's look at how to check the distance of a fiber using the Otdr. So in this case, the last time I taught you how to check the power. So this time around, if you want to check the distance, you plug your patch cord to this side of the machine. So make sure it's firm. Go to the screen. There are two options here. You can use Auto Otdr. You can use Expert Otdr. So when you are using Expert on, you are very good in it. You want to modify some settings like the range. You want to manually change the range. For example, I can change it from this 500 meters to 2 kilometers, 8 kilometers. Or if you want to change the wavelength, let me go back again. The wavelength, so I can change it from this 1550 nanometer to 1310 nanometer, but that's not what we're gonna use. If you want to make things simple, you use this Auto Otdr. Okay, so when you're using Auto Otdr, all the settings are adjusted automatically. So you click on test, then you wait for the result. Okay, so this time I'm only connected to a patch cord, so there's no any live fiber, so it will not go long distance at all. So I'm gonna look at this distance now. As you can see, it's showing 0.00153. that's just the length of the patch cord. That's just a few centimeters. Okay, so if you want to view more details, you can click on this list. So the arrow facing out, that's the arrow pointing to the left, is the distance. Okay, so there's a situation whereby if the fiber is currently active and then there is a power on that fiber, as you're trying to check the distance, it will give you warning that you cannot check a distance on an active powered fiber. So for example, let me prove that. I'm going to plug the same patch cord, the second end, to the media converter that will be transmitting optical power. Then I'll go back to the Auto Otdr again. Sorry, trying to capture it very well. Auto Otdr, then I'll click on test. It will give me a warning that I can't run a test on an active fiber. Okay, yeah, can you see that? It may be live fiber under test. Please remove it in time. Okay, so it may damage your device, so you have to remove it as soon as possible.